We all know that gaming is one of the fastest growing sports. Yes, that's right, gaming is now considered a sport, so it seems appropriate that we look at some new gaming laptops, and this one is from ASUS.
We're looking at the ASUS ROG GX501V laptop. Wow, that's a mouthful. This is a really powerful laptop, yet unlike the other ones that we've looked at from ASUS, this is super slim.
Yeah, that's right. It's probably one of the slimmest gaming laptops we've ever reviewed, and if you looked at it closed, you wouldn't even know that it was a gaming laptop. It's got a lot of power under the hood. From the design, what you'll notice are a couple of different design features, and this is kind of what you would see in a gaming laptop. First, you can see that the keyboard is very small when you consider the entire laptop. There's this whole almost like grill on here for sound and cooling. Another interesting thing is the trackpad is not in the center, which most laptops have. It's on the right where you would normally find your numeric pad.
And I think you'll be using a separate gaming mouse anyways, because this trackpad is very, very hard to maneuver because it's so small.
That's right. Under the hood, of course, it's a gaming laptop, so you're going to get a lot of performance. This has an i7 processor, which is one of the higher-end laptop processors out there. And like we mentioned, it is both thin and light. It kind of comes in at about 20 millimeters and around 2 kilos in terms of its weight.
In order to make it that thin and still be powerful as a gaming laptop, you need to really up the cooling game. And this laptop has done exactly that. So, and it does have a lot of different connectivity features as well. It also comes with the Xbox dongle, so that you can connect your Xbox and your wireless controllers.
That's actually a really cool feature because gamers aren't really specific to one platform or another. It's nice to see that you could use them either or. In terms of its memory, it's of course using ROG Hyperdrive SSD, a solid-state drive, and you can get it up to 1 terabyte. Think about that, a 1 terabyte solid-state drive. You know, a couple of years ago, that was unheard of, and it just shows that if you're going to be a professional gamer or you want to go pro, you got to have good equipment, just like in any other sport, and the ROG GX501V does not disappoint. If you are thinking about going pro in a gamer, or maybe you just need a laptop that's high performing, this is something you want to check out. Again, it's from ASUS. This is the Republic of Gamers series, and we're looking at the GX501V gaming laptop. You can get more information at asus.com.